Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oda Silva. Today I'll be sharing this delicious Nigeria stew recipe with you guys. So this is fresh tomatoes. I'll just cut in 4 and put in the blender. So this is red pepper, so people call it shombo. So I'll be blending it along with fresh pepper, Scotch, bonnet pepper and onions. So I'll just blend everything together. So these are the tomatoes and the pepper mix well blended. So I'm just going to steam them nicely. If you don't want your kitchen to be filled with tomato splashes, don't turn it, don't stir it. Yes, don't stir the tomato when steaming. Add vegetable oil to a dry pot like this, and I'll be adding my boiled meat. So I will allow it to fry till it's golden brown like this. So these are some sliced onions. I'll just fry the onions till it's translucent, and I'll be frying curry powder along with the onions like this. I'll stir the onions till it's translucent, and I'll be adding tomato paste. I'll fry this for about 10 minutes till it's like this. And this is tomato puree. I ran out of tomato paste and I decided to add this tomato puree. You can see it's even blocked, like there's eyes, but I just have to add it to it because I ran out of tomato paste. So this is steamed tomatoes. I'll be adding it like this, and I'll just stir it together with the tomato puree and tomato paste. So I'll fry them for about 20 minutes. Then afterwards I'll be adding the fried meat. So now I'll be adding my protein. This is beef, cow leg and shaki. So if you don't have cow leg and shaki, you can just use beef. So it's beef stew, but it's like assorted kind of stew. You understand, this maput version of stew. So if you're a typical Nigerian, you know what I'm saying. So I'll just stir everything like this, and I'll be adding meat stock. So after adding the meat stock, I'm just going to stir it and cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to stir it and test for salt and seasoning cube. So the salt was not enough from the stock. I'm just going to complete all my seasoning by adding salt and stock cube. So I'm just going to give it a good stir like this, and I will cover it for it to simmer. It's not like cover or like half cover like this, for it to simmer for about 10 minutes. And afterwards our delicious stew is ready. You can see it now. You can see the stew. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe for kosher delicious recipe like this. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.